guys, it's Melee back for, once again, another video. And we are going to be trying to make Play-Doh slime. Again, the last one failed. Newsflash, you have to use Suave. Or Dove. And instead of just using 2 ingredients, today we are going to be trying hold on, I can't read backwards. Petroleum jelly, 100%, where is it? Pure, 100% pure. Okay. Oh my gosh. Every single video that we make, oh my gosh. Okay, so here's our Play-Doh. Now add Suave. Not too much, not too little. Like maybe how much you put on your rag, but not that much whenever you wash your body. Like maybe 2 drops. And you can put food coloring in. It's an optional choice. Option. Now you just gotta keep mixing. And after you do this, you really want to wash your hands. Like really want to wash your hands. Because your hands get so slimy and so soapy because they're soap. Yeah, so far this is not turning out too well. So, comment down below if you think that this will turn out or not. Also, comment right now if you're watching if we should use the I forgot what it's called, and I just opened it. The petroleum jelly. If I should use it right now, right here, right now. Okay, so it looks like I'm gonna go ask my sister if I should add it. Actually, no. I'm going to ask my fans, which I know I don't have any, so I can't ask them. Ha ha ha. So yeah, this is not turning out too well for slime or too slime. So the blue slime versus the pink slime. The pink slime is honestly the best Play-Doh slime that I've made. And the blue is probably the worst that I've made. So we're going to add a little bit of whatever jelly. Petroleum, I think, jelly. Let's try this. And then you gotta get a little more. You gotta at least get a whole fingerful. A whole fingerful. Yes, that's what I said. And you just gotta keep mixing and mixing and mixing. Now this smells like, it still smells like Play-Doh. And mixing and mixing and mixing and mixing. And keep mixing and mixing until it turns a little squishier than before. And then this is the time to add Tide. Like, did I say it was a 3 ingredient thing? I meant 4. Actually, I didn't know I would be adding this. Well, I did if it turned out bad, so I actually knew. If it turned out bad, just add a little bit of Tide. I almost said a little bit of slime. Which you can add a little bit of slime, like jiggly slime. Really, it has to be really, really watery slime. So it will turn into like slime. Now in my case, I'm going to add just a little bit of my orange slime in it. But that's me. You can add whatever you want to it. Well, I mean, if you want it to like don't know. If you want it to, if you just want to try this at home, like so I'm adding this much to that. See how it turns out. If it turns out bad, that's a waste of Play-Doh and my very good slime. And yes, I did make my very good slime. Yeah, you may hear talking in the background. My mom's listening to preaching because we didn't get to go to church today. We slept in a little bit. So she goes to, okay, so if you're a Christian and you can't go to church on Sundays or Wednesdays, go to klove.com and you can listen to Christian stuff anytime, anywhere. That's the radio, klove.com. But if you want to go to the website for my church, which is Kings River, you go to their Facebook thing, and then you can watch it at anywhere, anytime, the same as klove.com, klove.com, COM, klove.com. And go to, okay, so I have a Musical.ly. It's May 2468, I think. Just go to May 2468 if you have Musical.ly, because I do, and I have stuff with. On second thought, do not look at them. Okay, so back to the Play-Doh. This is turning out very bad. So this is another Play-Doh slime fail. Comment down below what I need to add to make it into slime. So this actually is way better than the blue plate. I'm going to go get some of the stuff that I added to it earlier, because that's obviously what made it better in the last video. So, or it was Tide. I could add a little bit of Tide, but not too much. Like, make a little hole with your finger and then fill that up with the Tide. It looks kind of purple, not blue. People say it's blue. It looks purple to me. Which it probably is blue. It just looks purple on this. Oh yeah, this is way better. You really need to try this. And then just keep adding Tide over and over again. But, okay, so if I type in total slime fail, then awesome slime comeback, then that would mean that I did that slime and it failed, and then I did this slime from the last video. So you have to watch the whole entire video if you want to get most of the experience for this very Play-Doh-y good Play-Doh slime. It's not exactly slime yet, but it's getting there. Like, all I need is, I think I need Dove. Like the shampoo Dove. Yeah, I think I need Dove. I probably do need Dove. I really think I need Dove. That's probably why I keep saying Dove, 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 Dove. And I have other videos with Play-Doh slime. Just one other video because I only have 2 tubs of Play-Doh that I won from playing bingo at my school for the AR party. So, And you can see some videos of like me making actually good slime. Okay, so you guys need to comment down below and tell me if you guys want to see me sing. I suck at singing, so you probably want to say no. Yep, you heard me. You probably want to say no. Okay, now please comment right now, right here, right now. Tell me if you want me to add like shampoo and that stuff. Shampoo, whatever. Just tell me what I need to add to it to like activate it, which I already tried activator, so I can't use actual activator. Okay, so I have a 15-minute limit and it's already been 11. So I'm gonna have to start closing up soon, and if it stops without me saying goodbye, you know what it's because of. In case you don't, it's because of the time. I only have 15 minutes. So, yeah. I'm going to go get some shampoo and go put this back. Now remember, do not use Suave. Please don't. It makes it horrible. I'll be right back. Okay, this should work a lot better than the first time that I did it. Okay. Now, not too much. Remember, not too much, not too little.